safe to say COVID-19 completely upended life for many in 2020. In January, the first positive case was confirmed in the United States in Washington. Then in March, the World Health Organization declared it a global pandemic, and it's consistently been a top story ever since. And as we end this year, News 19's Marcus Arsvold is taking a look back at the health crisis beginnings. Marcus?
Yeah, Dustin, it hit Wisconsin on March 9th, and then it came to La Crosse County soon after, and that's when the health department in La Crosse County held an in-person press briefing, which was rare because then they went virtual, kicking off 10 months of coronavirus coverage.
COVID-19 officially arrived in La Crosse County on March 18th. With 3 positive cases.
And these individuals are not hospitalized, they are at home, and they are not very severely ill.
Each day, the La Crosse County Health Department learned and shared more about the virus.
This is a virus that is spread by droplets, which means when someone is coughing, they expel those droplets into the air. If I'm within 6 feet of someone who does that, I would potentially be exposed because it's in my airspace.
Local colleges closed.
The week after spring break, we will cancel all in-person classes.
High schools soon followed.
In the event that we would have, an issue with the COVID-19 here in our area, then at least we know that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing.
Governor Tony Evers placed the state under a safer-at-home order until May 25th, which the Wisconsin Supreme Court overturned on May 13th. Some businesses stayed closed while others opened.
I got the mask and everything like that, and you can only do so much, and if you're going to get it, you're going to get it.
By July 17th, more than 660 cases locally. La Crosse County confirmed its first death linked to the disease.
I've seen patients die, and it's not just the patient, we're dealing with the families involved too, and their heartbreak is at time our heartbreak.
In mid-September, UW-La Crosse and Viterbo students returned to campus. Over 2,500 people tested positive since March, and hospital beds started filling up.
It's a very tough battle, I have to say. We're still fighting it daily, not just here whenever we walk through the doors, but also at home. In the community.
Finally, on December 15th, emergency use vaccines were approved.
People in the ICU, dedicated COVID-19 floors, surgeons, ER doctors, urgent cares, those people that are face-to-face with the sickest, they get to go first.
1 week later, frontline workers received the first dose in La Crosse.
Honestly, I didn't even feel it. It went in and out. Probably the flu shot hurt worse than this one.
Now, looking ahead to 2021, health experts say they see a glimmer of hope after a brutal 10 months.
There's been 57 confirmed positive COVID-19 deaths here in La Crosse County since March. And Dustin, almost 10,000 positive cases have been confirmed in La Crosse County via the Department of Health Services.
Yeah, and it's hard to believe, Marcus, we've been talking about this for those 10 months now.
I know, it's the biggest learning lesson I think I've ever had as my first job as a reporter, and a lot of it's been learned right from my living room.
Yeah, covering it well, Marcus, thank you. And despite the vaccine rollout, health experts warn we're not out of the woods just yet. The next couple of months, they say, are key to staying healthy as we inch closer to that public availability of the vaccine. And coming up on Friday, Marcus will take a look back at some of the bright spots we saw during this pandemic.